Even as an adult, you've never stopped learning. That community college course? That certification or professional training program you completed? Those summers you spent learning the family business? You may not have known it at the time, but you were already making progress toward your degree at TESU. TESU recognizes that college-level learning happens outside the classroom, even know-how that comes without a piece of paper, because learning works in mysterious ways, and you've been gathering it since you left high school. TESU was created in 1972 to help adults complete their college degrees. We're fully accredited and completely focused on helping students succeed, even while juggling work, family, and other demands. We've perfected online learning so you can progress at your own pace whenever and wherever you can find time. We've developed flexible pathways for degree completion so you can maximize transfer credits or leverage military service, all of which means that you can bring home a valuable undergraduate, graduate, or doctoral degree sooner for less money. At TESU, you've already started.